Alright guys, so I'm starting out with some of the things that I'm going to be using. Just some like gloss spray, some mousse, some smooth edges. And also I'm going to be going in with this Care like little stick, which is okay. It's really not all that, it's overpriced. But anyways, I'm just going to start out by putting all this on my hair. And basically I'm just doing all this so I can get that shiny, sleek type look. So I'm just going to do that, and then after doing that I'm going to go over it with my hot comb and just flatten everything out so I can get that look that I'm going for. Alright, so next I'm just going in with a little bit of mousse and laying my edges. You want to be real careful when you're going in with mousse. I know mousse is the trend now, but it does make your lace lift. I know some people say it's because of the alcohol in it and yada yada yada, but I've had kinds like with no alcohol in it. Like the kind that I have now doesn't have alcohol, but it still makes my lace lift. So before you go in working with any type of mousse for your baby hairs, make sure your make sure your wig is secured, honey, because it will lift that wig straight up. Okay, so I'm just going in, just playing around with some baby hairs, trying to lay them how I want to lay them, and that's pretty much it on this part. Alright, so now I'm going in with that same mousse, and I'm just laying down like my foundation for the side part. And I'm using mousse instead of gel because I don't want their super hard look. Like, I want it to be kind of soft, if you guys know what I'm saying. Like, if I were to use gel, it'll be super hard, and some gel gets really flaky after a while. So I decided to go in with mousse, which worked out pretty good. It really did help that I put those different products in the hair in the beginning, because you know sometimes different products can tend to dry your hair out. Like, some mousse can dry your hair out, but since I had already put a lot of moisture and sheen in my hair, that really didn't, you know, happen here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so as y'all see, I call myself trying to do a sleek back ponytail. Came out okay. It's not perfect. I'm somewhat of like a perfectionist, and it's all right. Like, my boyfriend's like, Erin, I love it, I like it, but I'm not really feeling it. I feel like I could have did better. This hair is great though. Of course, this hair comes from WKLOVE Hair Company. So the specs of the hair right here on my phone. I have 4 bundles, 2 22 inches, 2 20 inches, and an 18 ear to ear frontal, and I did bleach my knots. Okay, I did girl, I'm trying to get these baby hairs together. Okay, so I just did a little bit with the baby hairs. I still gotta play around with it. Okay, but of course you guys know I freaking love WKLOVE Hair Company. Like, their straight hair is just amazing. I love the straight hair. So at the top, all I did was I just used like some mousse and like some shine spray, and also some flat iron, like a little flat iron, little care stick, and also some of this stuff I use. All of that will be down below. And I just, you know, I tried. I think it looks okay, but let me know what you guys think, of course. Yeah, frontals are very versatile, and this is just one of the ways that you could wear them. This style is like really hot in these streets lately, so I wanted to try it. I normally don't wear my hair all the way back, but yeah. So that's what it looks like, y'all. I need an edge up in the back, so all my kitchen, you know, the dishes dirty in the kitchen, if you feel me, but but this is kind of like what it looks like. I could lay it a bit better, in my opinion. I could probably flat iron it a little bit more, but yeah, y'all, this is what I got. What y'all think? This hair's so soft, and it has like a natural luster to it. What y'all think? Yeah, I think I did all right. What y'all think? I'm gonna tweak it a little bit more, but yeah, this gonna be my style for a few days. And I just laid this wig with just some got to be glue, no glue or anything like that. So yeah, but anyway, y'all, I don't have a lot to say about this or whatever. I just want to show you guys the style that I did. It was quick and it was easy. I didn't use a whole lot of products or nothing like that. I see some people doing a lot, but yeah, I just used some mousse to lay it down, girl. I didn't get all technical with it. I just did like the bare minimum, and yeah. Let me know if you like this style and what you think about this style. If you ever tried Whiskey's hair company, also leave that in the links down below. In the comments down below. The links will be in the description box if you guys would like to purchase hair from this hair company. They're a really good company, and they're always running like deals and sales and stuff like that. So yeah, click down below and check out the website, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.